We got something special, guys, today on this Dodge Ram 2017 5.7 liter Hemi. We put a special system on it. There's the catalytic converters there and there. Then we did a 3-inch system. It was missing this piece from the system, so he brought it here and we added it for him. And it's a GIBSON 5.65 bolt-on kit. But you know, we don't like bolts, so we welded everything up for him so it doesn't leak, loop, any of that. Right there, all the way back. And it's 2 1/4 tailpipes. There's the GIBSON muffler, made in the good old USA. You know, it's gonna sound good. And then there's the tailpipes there and there, into 4-inch tips rolled right there and right there. There's the part number 66565 GIBSON exhaust dual system. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And we'll try to have a link in the description for it if we can find one for you guys. And it's a Ram 1500 big one. That sounds really good. What do you guys think? There's sound decibels. Again. There you go. It's about 103. So it's not too obnoxious. It sounds good. Probably get a little bit louder when it breaks in about 30 days. But I like it. I like the look of it. It's clean. Just a clean truck all the way around. The exhaust came out really nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ram 1500 Hemi.